Hi, I'm Jason Townsend.
Hi, I'm Thomas Hatfield.
And I'm Darian Foster.
And I'm Max Rowe.
And we're Trumpet Gang.
Not Trumpet Gang. So last week we set out goals for everyone to design their own ping pong ball launcher, and then we are going to come back and create a decision matrix and decide on a final copy. So I will start with mine. Yeah, you'll see that. So essentially what we're going to do, what I wanted to do was take a PVC pipe and run a constant airflow through a hose down the PVC pipe, and then have, it's the best way to say this, have a T-shaped PVC pipe and then drop ping pong balls down into that airflow and have them launch at the end. From there, we could change the angle of that PVC pipe to find out how far we would need to shoot the ping pong ball at like a measured distance.
So going off what Kirsten said, I also designed one with an air compressed PVC pipe, but just fueling the hose through the bottom of the pipe and then launching it out at an angle. Just like to make sure that we have a set angle to the point where it's consistently hitting a target that's 10 feet away, and that can be done with just solving a kinematics problem.
My design was to pressurize the air inside the PVC pipe. You can't see that very well, but that is an incredibly stupid idea, so I decided not to do it because their ideas are way easier to do. So, and pressurizing things inside a PVC pipe is just a lot harder.
So yeah, I decided to use compressed air because that just seems like it's gonna be the easiest way to get things in an L-shaped, so the bottom is still flat on the ground, but it has a little momentum. And then I thought maybe we could rifle the barrel to get it more accurate, but I don't really know if you can rifle PVC yet, so we shall see.
I know.
Yeah.
Cool. So originally wanted to create a design matrix. I may have already said this. We all kind of agreed on everything though, so
Yeah.
Like when we got together and talked, we were like, hey, that's that's the best.
we're all agreeing we want the rifled barrel, compressed air, instead of maybe pressurizing it and then releasing all that at once. We're just gonna have like a constant airflow. But yeah, I think we all kind of agreed on just having a constant airflow and then changing the angle to see how far the ball goes and then measuring that distance.
Yeah, pressurized air, like it gets less accurate the more you use it, like if you use it in a tank, which we discussed. And there's only so much you can optimize on a ping pong ball launcher made out of PVC pipe. So it's kind of hard to have major disagreements.
We also talked about how, going off what he just said, if we were to use a giant compressed air tank, then as the air left that compressed air tank and went out of the ping pong ball launcher, the air pressure in the tank would continue to drop and the ping pong ball launcher would become less and less powerful.
And less accurate.
So
just worse.
The only way to combat that would be able to know how fast the ping pong ball comes out at different air pressures, which is way too much math and honestly way too much guesswork at that point. So we were thinking about using a leaf blower, an electric leaf blower. That way we had a constant airflow coming out that didn't vary at all. Even if it wasn't as powerful as compressed air, we could still at least make sure it's consistent. Anybody have anything to add?
No, that's good.
All right, stay fresh, cheese bags.